2026 free budget ShipOwner 564. We know that 2026 interest rates will fall. Yes, the Fed and the European Central Bank, they're doing a very hard job. They stopped printing. No, that's a joke. Inflation is not 4%, 3%. No, that's a fake inflation. The real inflation is about 20-ish. But let's go towards the dollar, the euro. Then, dear ShipOwner, what is the bunker, crude, European, Asian, American cost, wages for the LPG, chemical, tanker, cruise, Ropax, container, bulk carrier, general cargo, Cyprus flag, social security, Greek, Italian, Spanish, French, which are going to be the costs for 2026, dear ShipOwner. If you want a free quotation, please contact me. This is a computer generated machine. I reply always at no cost and with my real tailored budgets of what's going to be 2026 cost and the best talent for your good ships and how we can expand LNG, whatever sector. Then please contact me and I will be able to help you. Why? Because our database now is roughly around 190,000 seafarers, so we are growing slowly and perhaps data helps. Thank you.